Want to decorate your children's room? Then this easy how to do it yourself Koimon video will show you how to paint a rainbow mural. Make sure you have the following tools and materials. First of all, we're going to decide how big we want our rainbow to be on our wall. We are painting one that is 10 feet in diameter. Measure the 10 feet on the bottom first, then we take the middle point to see the radius. For us, that is 5 feet. Place a pencil mark on that point. Get your rope and measure 5 feet in length. Add a little bit more to tie a knot and cut it off. Place your pencil on the end of the rope and tie it firmly. Place the other end of the rope in the middle of the rainbow on the 5 feet mark and put tape on it so it stays in place. Draw a light pencil line with the help of the rope. Remove the rope and pencil and place tape over the line. This is the outline of your first arch. We don't want to have a rhythm in the thickness of the arches to give it that fun look that fits in a child's room. Keep 2 to 3 inches between the arches. When done taping, you can lay down your protective paper. Find a fun color scheme that fits your room or your bed linen. You can also find good matching color schemes online. Koimon has a big variety of colors for all your painting projects. When we have all the arches, we are going to paint them. Use a roller or brush for more precise painting. You don't need a big brush because it's not a big surface that you need to paint. Clean your brush in white spirits before starting with the next arches. We added an arch with a texture. We cut a sponge in a circle and press it with paint lightly against the wall. This gives a cloud effect. When every arch is dry, you can do touch-ups on them. After that, you can remove the tape and clean your brush for the last time. Do you want to know more about paint or stains? Watch our other how-to videos. At Koimon, we are always happy to help.